first I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them wire off. Then I have a bunch of connection I'm gonna buy. Get a bunch of them off Amazon. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut this off. I have me, yeah, cut them off. Well, I use one hand and I keep on saying using one hand and do all this stuff. Not going to work. So I'm just going to cut it off, put the connection, and do that. Show you guys. Stay tuned. So that's the way it look like. I was supposed to put one of this on this side and I forget. So I still put one on this side anyway. So I'm just gonna still slide it over it and shrink it down. Yep, I forget to put it on that side. Oh, crap. Yeah, I was supposed to put one here, but I'm worried about that. It's good to go. So that is that.